So we're in Worcester, Massachusetts. Here comes the Lakeshore train 449 going. Extremely slow. Don't know why, but it's going. Extremely slow. Usually it's flying by here. But nevertheless, here it comes. Extremely slow. Usually it's about 55 miles an hour here, but for some reason or another. Extremely slow. Let's see what else. Boy, they've got, looks like they've got something extra on this train. Extremely slow. I said extremely slow. So we got 89. 96 and 188. Must be a freighter coming the other way or something, but they're usually never this slow. Just crawling through Worcester. Crawling. It's a regular train. Why, but extremely slow. Lakeshore 449. It's already 10 minutes late. Heading out of Worcester out to Springfield. That doesn't look good at all, especially with the third engine on it.